Welcome back to my channel again. In this video I will explain you different structures of orbitals. So there are four orbitals. They are S, P, D and F. Before that, what is meant by orbital? Orbital is nothing but the space or region around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum is called as orbital. So there are four orbitals S, P, D and F. The shape of the orbital S is spherical. The shape of orbital P is dumbbell shape. Shape of orbital D is double dumbbell shape. And the shape of orbital F is complex. So these are the shapes of the orbital. Now we will know about the structures. We will know about the structure of orbital S. We know that the shape of the orbital S is spherical. So we know that the value of L value for S orbital is 0. As L value is 0, M value also will be 0. Remember that the formula of M is 2L plus 1. According to the rule of chemistry, as the value of L is 0, the value of M also 0 in case of only spherical, nothing but S orbital. Now we will see the structure of the S orbital. As it is spherical in shape, we have to draw a sphere. There are three axes. And we have to draw an imaginary line like this. So this axis is x-axis, this upward axis is y-axis, and this is z-axis. X-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So friends, this is the structure of the orbital S. Now coming to the structure of orbital P. Now we will know about the structure of orbital P. We know that the shape of orbital P is dumbbell shape. We know that the value of L for orbital P is 1. We have to remember that value of L for orbital P is number 1. So we can write this one as -1, 0, +1. Here there are 3 digits. We have to check whether this 3 number is correct or not. So that we can use the formula M is equals to 2L plus 1. Here the value of L is 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. Here 2 ones 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So here we got 3. So this is right. Now we will look about the structure of orbital P. Friends, here we got the 3 numbers -1, 0 and +1. Now we have to take the M value -1, M value 0 and M value +1, and we have to draw the different structures for these values. So first we will take M value is equals to -1. So we can draw, this is x-axis. As it is dumbbell in shape, we can draw like this. This is for M value -1, only for M value -1, and we can represent the structure with Px. As this orbital is P and we have taken x-axis here, we can represent the structure with Px. Similar to this, now we will take for M value 0. We can take this structure as, we can take z-axis and we can draw dumbbell shapes, and the structure can be represented by Pz. As this orbital is P and we have taken z-axis, we can represent the structure with Pz. Now we have to draw for M value +1. In the case of +1, we have to take y-axis and we have to draw dumbbell shapes, and we can represent the structure with Py. As this orbital is P and we have taken y-axis, we can represent the structure with py. So friends, if we observe carefully, for value of -1 we have taken x-axis, for value of 0, m value 0 we have taken z-axis, and for m value +1 we have taken y-axis. So for different m values there will be different axis, and we need to remember this axis, then we can score good marks in the exams. So coming to orbital D. Now we'll know about the orbital D. We know that the shape of the orbital D is double dumbbelled. And we also know that the value of L for orbital D is 2. We can write this 2 as -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. According to the magnetic quantum number, we can write the L value 2 for orbital D as -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. Let us check whether these 5 numbers are correct or not. By using the formula m is equals to 2l plus 1. We can substitute the value of L2 here, plus 1 is equals to 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. So we got 5 here. So this value is correct. Now let us look at the structures for this orbital D. So friends, here we have 5 digits, -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. We have to draw the structure for all these m values. Now first we will take m value -2. And we can draw the structure by taking this as x-axis and this as y-axis. And we can draw a double dumbbell structure. And we can represent this structure with pxy. Now we will take the m value -1. For this we have to take the downward axis as y-axis and upward axis as z-axis. And we can draw double dumbbell shapes. And we can represent this as pyz. So this is the structure for m value -1. Now let us look about the structure for m value 0. If m value is 0, we have to take only z-axis and we have to draw some spheres inside. We can draw 2 to 3 small circles or spheres and we can draw dumbbells like this. Now this is the structure for m value 0 and we can represent the structure by pz square. We can represent the structure by pz square. Now let us look about the structure for m value +1. For m value +1, you need to take two axes. They are, the downward axis must be z-axis and upward axis must be x-axis. Now here we have to draw double dumbbells like this. And this structure can be represented by pzx. Now this is the structure for m value +1. And for m value +2, the entire structure will be different. If we take the axis, we can take the axis, downward axis must be x-axis and the upward axis must be y-axis. And we have to draw like this. In the case of m value +2, we have to draw differently. In this case, all the dumbbells are symmetrical. The dumbbells are dividing by the axes. So this is the structure for m value +2. Now let us look about the orbital F. Now let us look about the orbital F. We know that the structure of the shape of the orbital F is complex. We can simply draw the structure, y-axis, x-axis, we have to draw this double dumbbell shape similar to the double dumbbell shape. So this is the structure for orbital F. So friends, these are all the structures of all the orbitals. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.